Hi guys, we're going to make a ham and veggie breakfast bake. So I have a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I have coated with non-stick cooking spray, and I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I have a 32-ounce bag of frozen tater tots that I have poured in the bottom. I did not quite use all of the tater tots. There's a little bit left. I just tried to cover the whole entire bottom, and it's in there pretty snug. So I put the tater tots to the side, and in a bowl I've cracked 10 eggs, and to that I'm also going to add 1 cup of half and half, a tablespoon of onion powder. In here I've got half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. I'm also putting that in there. I'm going to whisk this up together. We're going to add to this 1 whole red bell pepper that I've diced up, 1 cup of fresh spinach that I slightly chopped up, and then I'm adding 1 14.5 ounce of petite diced tomatoes, and I drained them really well, 1 cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese. I have 1 more cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese that I'm going to set aside for the top. So I have 2 cups of deli ham that I've chopped up, and the type I'm using was honey ham off the bone. I'm sure, you know, any kind would work. This is just smoked ham or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and stir and toss this around till it's all combined. That looks good right there. I'm going to pour this all on top of it. And I'm going to spread it around evenly, and I'm going to try to make sure I don't stir up the tater tots on the bottom when I do that. Just trying to get a little bit of the egg mixture left in here. Okay, that looks pretty even. And press it down just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake it 40 to 50 minutes until it looks set, and I'm not going to cover it up. Alright, so I've taken it out of the oven and it's set. I'm going to go ahead and top it with another cup of cheese. I'm going to put it back in the oven on the same temperature, uncovered, for another 5 minutes, just enough to melt the cheese that I'm putting on top of here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for about 10 minutes on the counter until I serve it. So there's my ham and veggie breakfast bake. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!